Folks, if the IRS has in fact seized your entire tax refund and you were counting on that money for something, it's possible you may be able to get it back, okay? You just need a well-crafted argument to the IRS in which you are able to show the IRS that you were absolutely positively counting on that refund money to pay for necessary expenses. And by necessary expenses, I mean expenses that are necessary for the health and welfare of your family, like putting food on the table, or that are necessary in the production of income, right? So that you can make money. All right, now if you can show that that is the case, right, you have a shot, you have a decent shot at getting that refund money back, okay? But of course, what they're also gonna look at is, okay, you know, what have you also been spending money on recently, okay? If you're expecting a $4,000 tax refund, you know, to pay for some much needed medical procedure, okay, but then last month you spent, and that was your refund amount, $4,000 the IRS seized. But then last month you spent $4,000 on a vacation to Aruba. That's not going to bode well for you, right? So they're going to look at your bank statements. They're going to look at your story, your narrative, and if everything kind of lines up, and someone nice at the IRS is actually reviewing your file, your case, your argument here, you have a shot at getting that refund back. Okay, not saying it's a guarantee, not saying it's a slam dunk. Okay, but the narrative has to make sense. The facts, the cash flow. The recent cash flow in your bank account has to make sense, right? Or the IRS could say, hey, this is a bunch of baloney. Look at all this frivolous spending you did, and now you're saying you need your refund. Go kick rocks, okay? That's not where you want to be. But if you're in a bona fide, if you're an honest to goodness position where you're really counting on that money, you have a chance of getting it back.